Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Say Safdar Shah is here once again. This is my second video in the series of my videos, My Pakistan, in which I am introducing you about Pakistan and giving you valuable information. And I want to eliminate misperception which has been, I think, rumoring over there, here and there in the world. So today, I am going to give you some useful information about Pakistan geography and location. As you know that in the world map we can see every country, every area in terms of latitudes and longitudes. When we talk about the latitude and longitude, Pakistan is located in the world map at 23.42 to 36.55 north latitude and 60.45 to 75.26 east longitudes. So now as we have already mentioned, Pakistan is in the continent of Asia. Particularly, we call it South Asia, and its total area, which I have already mentioned in my first video in the series, is 8,81,900, about 900 square kilometer. But I want to inform you that its total area, including Azad and Jammu Kashmir, which is about more than 13,000, and Gilgit-Baltistan is more than 72,000 square kilometer, has also been included. Itself, without it, it is 7,96,096 square kilometers. So now let's go ahead. Now we look at the borders of Pakistan. What are the neighbors countries of Pakistan? What are its neighbors? Pakistan total border is about land border is about 6,774 kilometers. Towards this east is India. Its border is about 2,912 kilometers, and as you know, it's in northeast of Pakistan. Is spread, and towards its west is Afghanistan, and it's well known land is a Durand land, which was agreed in 1893 by a foreign secretary of British India, Sir Durand, and that's why it's called Durand line. Its total its length is 2,430 kilometers. Pakistan and Iran, Pakistan and Iran border is about 909 kilometer, 909 kilometer long, and it is in the east, in the west. Iran is in the west. Also, now its China border is about 523 kilometers, and as you know that China is located where it is located. It is in northeast, so its border is total 523 kilometers, and towards south is Arabian Sea, and here the border length is 1,046 kilometers approximately. You can see from these statistics, this information, Pakistan is a geographically very important country because it's a central part of the well-known countries. Its borders are joining the some big names like China, and India is also a very important country. Afghanistan is there also. So Pakistan itself is a very beautiful place to visit here, and as we move ahead, I will give you more useful information where you can go to visit my country, Pakistan, my Pakistan, and it's very beautiful and fantastic in terms of history, in terms of culture, in terms of greenery and hilly areas. Everything is there. And climate is very, very important also, as it's not too much cold, not too much hot. It's a moderate everywhere. In winters it's very cool also, but in here and there is also a moderate environment over there, and you will enjoy that, hopefully. So I'm hopeful. So thank you very much. This was my second video. Inshallah, I will be back for the next video very soon. Stay tuned. That's it for today. Thanks. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.